Hello friends, this is your PDF expert. Today, we will see how we can add reasons to our digital certificates or digital signatures. First, on your screen, you can see the digital certificate without reason. Now, you can see the screenshot of digital signature with reason mentioned. Using the same steps, you can also add multiple information and then your signature will look like this. So, to do this, first, we have to make one change in our application preferences. After opening the application, click on the menu from the top left corner. If you are not getting the menu option, probably you are inside an old interface of Adobe application. In the old interface, click on Edit from the top left corner in the Windows operating system, and the Adobe Acrobat option in the Mac operating system. After that, click on Preferences. Now, select Signatures from the left-hand side Categories window. Now, click on More under Creation and Appearance title. You will get a pop-up window. And there you will get a checkbox named Show Reasons. Check that box, and click on OK from the bottom right of the pop-up and Preferences window. Now, open any document in which you have to put the digital signature. Create a block and get the pop-up to enter password for signature before signing the document. On this screen, you will get the preview of your signature without reason. You have to click on Create from top right of this pop-up. Now, check the reason option and all the other information checkbox you want in your signature. Give this setting a name and click on Save. Now you can select the appearance from the top left drop-down option. In Reason window, you will get some of the preset option to choose. If you want to make your custom reason, select the None and clear out that using Delete or Backspace. Enter your reason here. Enter the password and save the document. You will get the signature with the reason on your document. That's it for this video. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. Subscribe the channel to get this type of video in future. See you soon with the new video.